Everyone, this is Linda, and today I'm in the kitchen. Not because we're having bad weather. I mean, the weather have improved for the last couple of days. It has been very, very dreary, extremely dreary, and yeah, gray outside. But today I came in just to show you guys how I make my onion vinaigrette. I don't know if you ever go to like Subway and you get these delicious red onions in this vinegar and oil. Yeah, well, you could do this right at home, you know? So that is what I've done with this. And I'll show you. It's just easy peasy. But anyway, guys, I want to thank you all for just coming back to my channel and watching our family day video. I had a great time, and I have to recuperate from hanging out with these girls when we all get together. So this is just I cut up the onions as thin as I can. Got some dill in there. And this is just Crisco. You could use olive oil, any kind of oil you want to use, but I'm using Crisco oil. And you just put some oil in here and, okay, vinegar. Now I use white vinegar. You could use balsamic, but balsamic is really strong, and you really want your onions to get this real beautiful, real pretty color. If you put balsamic in there, it won't be that color. Probably just as good if you like balsamic vinegar, which I do. But anyway, you just put a little salt and pepper. Now you could do this in the jar, but I'm just doing it in a bowl because this is my second one, and I'm gonna just let it sit for a couple of seconds, well, a couple of minutes, and then I'm going to show you guys. I like a lot of pepper. Okay, yeah, that's what that is. Let me get a fork so I can give this a good stir. And really, that is it. Now, if you want to put something else in it, like some parsley flakes or something like that, you can. But you just want to keep it as simple as possible. And this, you just put it in your jar, put it in the refrigerator. If you let it sit for about 2 days or so in the refrigerator, it would be good to go. And we eat it on sandwiches, we eat it on our beans, and we definitely gonna eat it on some red beans today. This one here, I have some leftover red beans, and I did not cook today, no. So that's what we're gonna eat. Now this is some dill. This is some dill I harvest from my garden. Isn't that awesome? And I'm just going to put this on the stove. Now I have only oil in here. And I'm just going to put this in this pot. Now what I'm going to do is I only want this to just start, well, I can start smelling the dill. I don't want it to fry or anything like that. I just want to be able to smell it. And that's when I know that all the flavors are getting into this oil. And then I'm just going to take it and put it back in this jar. And I'm going to use this dill. You could use dill for all kinds of things, You can even use it on your skin. It's just so wonderful. But I'm going to use it for cooking purposes. Yeah. Give my food a little something different, and everybody say, well, I taste a little something different. So I'm like, yeah. But listen, I want to thank you all for subscribing and commenting. and stopping by my channel. I really, really appreciate it. I thank you all so much. Yeah, so I'm going to complete this, put it in a jar, and then I'm gonna let it cool off before I put it in the refrigerator and just let it chill out. See, now I'm beginning to smell dill. And basically that's all I really want, to really just start to smell it. So I'm gonna set it on the side and let it cool before I put it in this jar. All right, give me a second. Okay, so let me go with those ingredients again. This is just one whole big red onion, and I just put half in each jar. Just slice it up as thin as possible, and add you some oil and vinegar. I use white vinegar because the balsamic vinegar or the apple cider vinegar will be too strong, and it will take away this beautiful color that you want on these onions. And on the dill is just that, dill and oil, and you just heat it up until you can smell the dill, and then let it cool and put it in your jar. Cool. Now I had some lemons, you know. I just decided to put a lemon in there just for the look of it, that's all. But you know, it's gonna taste wonderful. So, and that is my vinaigrette, my onion vinaigrette, and it is so delicious. Your sandwiches, oh, your salads, yes. Try it. You're gonna love it. You're going to love it, especially on salads. So good, so good. And it's so easy to make. But anyway, guys, I thank you all so much, and you all have a great, great Tuesday. Later, y'all.